Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Talk about a thing you bought and you are happy about that. You should say, from where you bought it, why you bought it, and explain why are you so happy about that.
Sure, I would love to talk about my recent purchase that I'm happy about. I bought a new smartwatch from an online store a few weeks ago. I had been considering buying a smartwatch for a while as I wanted to keep track of my fitness goals and stay connected on the go. After doing some research and reading reviews, I finally decided on a model that fit my needs and budget. I'm extremely happy with my purchase for several reasons. First, the watch is easy to use and has a variety of features that I find helpful. I can track my steps, monitor my heart rate, and even receive notifications from my phone. It's also water resistant, so I can wear it while swimming or working out. Second, the watch has helped me stay accountable for my fitness goals. I can set reminders to move and track my progress throughout the day. It has motivated me to be more active and make healthier choices. Finally, I love the convenience of having a smartwatch. I can quickly check the time, answer calls or messages, and control my music without having to take out my phone. It's a great addition to my daily routine and has made my life a little bit easier. In summary, my purchase of a new smartwatch has brought me happiness and convenience in several ways. It has helped me stay accountable for my fitness goals, stay connected on the go, and make my daily routine more efficient. I'm glad I invested in something that has improved my overall well-being. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.